Hello people YouTube, how are you today? It's me Abby, and today we have another video for y'all. Guys, I finally got my hand on the Life's a Drag Facelift palette from Lunar Beauty, Manny Anyways brand. I'm really excited. I'm going to just jump right into this video. I already did my eyebrows primed. I know my eyebrows look like shit, don't clock me. I can't be bothered with them today. I primed my eyes with the P. Louise base, and let's get started and try this out. Before I get started, I wanted to show you the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? I love Manny's packaging. And the thing is, his palette, we have like the original setup of the original Life's a Drag palette, but we have more shades, and we have a rainbow side and a neutral side. I'm going to kind of combine both today because I have a little photo shoot with my sister, which you can see back there. I am going to be doing kind of like a brownie yellow vibe because I have a dress that has a bunch of sunflowers on it, so I kind of want to match with that. So let's get started. To start off, I think I'm going to go in with this bright yellow shade Campy and put that all up in my crease. Oh my god, that is so pigmented and bright. Jalen, look how like bright, I barely tapped it. Okay guys, I'm just blending this yellow shade out. I just stamped it with this brush at first just so I can get it laid down. But so far, so good. It's really pigmented and it's blending really easily from what I can see. I really have been loving yellow lately. I don't know what it is, but like yellow and pink eyeshadow like is my shit. And I would do pink eyeshadow and do like another pink lemonade moment, but I kind of done that like 2-3 times in the last week, and I honestly can't be bothered again. And because again my dress is covered in sunflowers, I'm gonna try to match it so I can look good for my little photo shoot. Okay, I've been looking at the palette because I have the yellow laid down, and I know when to go in with a brown, but a lot of these browns, like this is too cool tone, that's more of a purple, this is too like dark and chocolatey, maybe this one, but I think I might go in with this one as a transition first. And this is Sickening, and Sickening is definitely sickening. And I'm going to tap this in my crease as well with a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name on it. It's like a flat packer blending brush. So yeah, we're going to just get that all up in my brush. Guys, this color is blending beautifully. It's almost what I want. It's a little bit more on the warmer side than I want, because I kind of wanted like a neutral brown. But I think I'll do that with the shade Meaty to do that and darken it up, and maybe go in with the black to like just smoke it just a teeny bit. But I'm going to just keep most of the color centered on my outer portion, and then slowly tap and blend towards the front. And if I notice that it gets a little too harsh, I'm going to go back in with my yellow brush and just blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with like the same kind of brush, like that tapered packing blending brush, and go in with Meaty, which is more of a dark reddish brick brown. And then add that just on my outer corner, and then use my brush, one that had Sickening, and use that to blend it out, because I don't want this color to just go everywhere. I want it to be like just like right here, and maybe a little bit blown out towards the center. Now I'm getting the brush that has Sickening on it and just diffuse it out. Just so it looks like that. You know guys, I dipped into a mug and the fallout is real. I need more dimension, so I'm just going to take mug and stamp it, and then slowly just blend up a little bit like that.
Sorry, y'all. I love Kit so much, but she sheds so much.
Oh yeah, that's the one thing I hate about her. She sheds so much, it makes me like, I get like black lung.
It's like my lungs aren't purified anymore.
I know.
They're about as bad as a freaking 8-year-old smoker. Infested with cat hair. Oh shit.
I am gonna just go in with like the tiniest bit of the black shady, because like I want to just like give it that like that littlest bit of depth, but I don't want too much. Like I'm gonna go in with this brush from AOA. I think it's the AOA B136. I cannot see it that well. And go into Shady, tap into it, and just tap most of it off and just Just like that. Just to add like that littlest bit of depth. The littlest bit. Guys, if you hear her, she's also doing her makeup, so sorry about that. But I'm going to just edit it out. I don't care. But the thing is, I don't want to use the shimmers in that palette. I am going to use one to like brighten my inner corner. But I want something that's going to be cute with this. And I feel like this is too pink. That's too bright because I want it to like also be on my inner corner. And that one's too bronze with my eye because I'm going for that sunflower look. So I'm going to go with my Raw Beauty Christie Super Soft Shadow in Olympic and put that on my lid. Like that. Isn't that pretty?
And my new favorite foundation, even though their shade range is literally ass.
Is the one I gave you?
Mm-hmm. Like, I don't understand why it's so hard for brands to make.
I know. I don't understand that either. Like, I ranted about this a couple months ago. Physicians Formula, their new butter foundation. That shit is... I liked it, but at the same time I hated it. The shade was too light for me, and then the medium shade, like the shade after it, is too dark. There's not a good range. There's like 5 shades. It's literally terrible, and I'm sorry. I cannot support that.
I'm only using it because you gave it to me and it was free.
You know, I get it. Okay, guys, as you know, I finished the front, like, my actual eyes. I'm going to do foundation, blah, 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 and then I'll come back to do my my bottom lash line, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. What are we thinking about the base makeup? Not my favorite, but at the same time, I don't hate it because this is the only yellow blush I have, and I feel like it goes. I'm not sure yet if I like it or not. I feel like I should have went with like more of a peachy blush, but I wanted to be like extra for like my little photo shoot today, but I'm not sure. We're gonna just get on with the rest of the video, and for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna start by just going in with that same yellow Campy and dragging it just straight all the way. I also don't want it to be super blended. I kind of just want that pop of color. So I'm literally just like kind of stamping it as well as dragging it. And back with our same brush that we used to smoke our outer V right here, I'm going to go in with that and go into first with Meaty and just smoke it just like a fourth to like halfway through. Now with that same brush again, we're going to go into Mug, tap it, and because that is super fallouty, I'm going to tap a lot of it off because this one we're just going to keep like on the very, very outer corner, kind of dragged in, so it kind of pulls the eye up. Kind of like that. See the difference? How this one kind of looks a little... Just to refresh everything, because I feel like I lost a lot of that yellow, I am going to just go in my brush, just tap it a little bit, and just intensify that color again, but going very light-handed. I don't want to use a heavy hand at all. Now the moment y'all have been waiting for, I'm going to go into Full Fantasy and put that on my inner corner. I forgot, he said that this shade was a topper. Okay guys, the eyes are almost done. I'm going to just pop on some mascara and a lip and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. What do we think? To be honest with you, if you want to know my full thoughts on this palette, I know I didn't use like every shade or I didn't do a rainbow look like you guys probably would have expected me to. But here's the thing, because I'm doing the photo shoot and I'm wearing my dress, like first of all, it's like, can we appreciate this dress? It is gorgeous. It's kind of out of my element because as you guys know, I don't really wear a lot of color and yellow is like the color I hate, but for some reason I really like this dress. It's funny because on camera the sunflowers are popping so much more, but in real life they're really like on the white dusty side. They're not like super vibrant, but on here they are. But the thing is, guys, this palette is amazing. Like, look at my eyeshadow, everything blended super well. I feel really pretty, to be honest with you. I really love this look. I gotta go do my hair right now because, you know, we're gonna go do a little photo shoot, so I gotta look a little more presentable. But yeah, if you guys do want to see like a rainbow look from me, let me know in the comments below, and I will do another video and I'll do like a full rainbow look considering that it is Prime Month. But overall, I loved the shades I used. This topper shade is so pretty as an inner corner highlight. Like, do we see that? And I know I didn't use any of like the actual like shimmers in the palette besides the topper shade, but I have used them before. They are in my other Life's a Drag palette. It's like somewhere in these drawers. I would have to find it. I was gonna show you guys it, but I'm kind of like lazy right now, and I don't want to go scurrying through my drawers to try to find it. But yeah, in the end, I 100% approve it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell icon to see more videos from me. And, you know, like, comment, blah, 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 share with your friends. I know you enjoyed this video, and I know you want to see more. But, yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.